Lesson 2. Numbers from 0 to 100. We know the letters of English alphabet, so let's do some math and study the numbers from 0 to 100. The very basic question that can be asked is, what number is it? And then we answer, it's 1. Or other options. We are going to study from 0 to 100. So, here we go. Please follow me and repeat every word. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I hope you've noticed that some parts of the words are underlined. Why? I will tell that in the second. We go to the next 10. We start with 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I hope it's really easy to notice that there is a very basic rule with making bigger numbers. We just start with the 10 and then we add single numbers. Okay? That's all we do. Let's go and try with the next 10, which is 30. We add to this 30 single numbers from the first column, and that's all we do. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. That's what we've got. And now, coming back to the underlined parts. Look at here. Here is 30, and I have underlined the ending of the word, 30. Before we have, for example, 13, and I have underlined teen, 13. Isn't it like quite similar? It's very important to pronounce the word properly, okay? Not to cut the endings, because then we can be misunderstood. It's very different to pay 13 or 30 euros for something in the shop, isn't it? So please be careful with the pronunciation. Then 40 and all the single numbers that we can add. Next we have 50 and the other numbers we can add. 60. Next one, 70, 80 and 90. Everything goes through the same rule, but there is one other example, which is the last one on the page. Here we go with 100. This is totally new word, and it's very, very important to say that there is one of these, okay? Like the single number in the very beginning. So we have 100 or 200, depends on the first number in here. Okay? So I'll ask you some questions and I hope you can answer looking at the screen. Can you tell me how many friends have you got? I can say 2. And you? Or the other example can be, how many books have you got in the room that you are sitting in right now? I would say around 46. 46. I hope you found this number. And the last example, can I ask you maybe how many pens you've got? I would say 12. 12 is right here. And you? How many pens have you got?